Maximizers, welcome to Build a Business with Chris, the place for you to learn how to build a profitable business that you love. I'm your business coach, Chris the Maximizer. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I plan my YouTube content. I have been creating content on YouTube since 2018. My very first YouTube channel was Chris the Maximizer. Over there, I shared how to coupon, budget, meal plan, all the things you need to do to save money. And my current YouTube channel, Build a Business with Chris, make sure you subscribe. I am sharing with you how to grow profitable businesses that you love. So I have been planning YouTube content since 2018, and I've posted pretty much almost every single week except for about 2 months earlier this year. I posted like literally every single week. So I have down to a science a way to plan my YouTube content, and I'm gonna break that down and share that with you today. So we are going to think about a hypothetical 30-day situation, and we are planning YouTube content for 30 days. So first things first, we need to decide how often are we posting. For the purposes of this video, as an example, we are gonna say that we are posting 2 long form YouTube videos per week. So a video like this, 5 minutes or more. We are posting 4 YouTube shorts per week. So 4 60-second videos. And we're gonna go live once per week. So that is the cadence that we decided. Now, if you are a new business owner and you're using YouTube to grow your business, this is a very good cadence to follow. You can leave the live stream off until you get a little bit of followers, but I would say at least 2 long form videos per week, 1 at the very minimum, and then 4 shorts is like absolutely perfect when it comes to creating content over on YouTube. But first we gotta decide how often we're showing up. So what that looks like is we need 8 long form YouTube videos, we need 16 shorts, and we're gonna be doing 4 live streams for our 30-day bucket. Okay, so this is the secret. Are you ready for my secret? We are only gonna rack our brains for content ideas for our 8 long form videos, literally. And from those 8 topics, we're gonna create all of our shorts and all of our live stream topics. I literally do this process to this day, where I only rack my brain for my YouTube long form video topics. Everything else is derived from there. So you're probably thinking, Crystal, how do we come up with those topics? So there's 2 key things that I do, and there's a video that I posted about this, about how to come up with your YouTube video topics. I will link it here for you to come up with content topics. But the 2 things I do are, number 1, questions that your audience is asking. If you are new and nobody's asked you any questions on YouTube, where have people asked you questions anywhere else? Instagram, TikTok, your email, your blog, questions. You can also go look at your competitors, not to copy them, but what questions are they getting? People that are in the same industry as you, selling something similar, what questions are their audience asking? The second way you come up with content ideas is, what does your potential ideal client need to know before they work with you? So I'm a business coach, and I'm gonna help you grow your business by going live. So before we get to going live, we need to talk about social media. We need to talk about being consistent. We need to talk about creating content. So those are things that you need to know before you work with me. So those are some of the topics that we are gonna come up with. I also keep a Google Doc running list of potential video topics. So if someone asks me a question, I'm like, ooh, that should be a video. I literally keep a Google Doc list of that. So when I'm sitting down and I'm deciding my content for the next month, I have ideas to pull from. As a last resort, we go to Google. What does your business do? Let's just say that you are a health coach. You help women lose weight. Go to Google and type in, how do women lose weight? And it'll say, Google will show you these are similar questions that have been asked. Those are great content ideas from there. So from all of that, we need to come up with just 8 topics. So come up with 8 video topics that you want to have for the month. Now, once you come up with those topics, you need a way to manage this. So I use a project management system called Airtable. And in my Airtable, I have a calendar view. I have each one of my YouTube videos listed out. I can outline them, all the things. Then I have a separate one for lives, and I have a separate one for my short form shorts, TikToks, and Reels. I have a separate calendar for each one. You can do this in Asana, Trello, Monday.com. You can do it in a Google Sheet. You can do it in a Google Doc. You can do it on pen and paper. I suggest electronic because it is a whole lot easier than when I used to do it on pen and paper. But come up with an electronic form that works best for you. I will leave the links to Airtable, Asana, all the things down in the description box. if you want to try them out. You want to put them on a calendar so you can see these are my topics. Now, once you have the topics, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to outline your 8 topics. Technically, we are doing a form of batching because we're doing the same activity all together. So from those 8 topics, now you need to outline your talking points. And you want to have 3 to 5 talking points for each topic. Now, once you have those 3 to 5 talking points for each topic, now we're going to make our shorts. So we need 16 shorts, right? So each of those 8 YouTube videos that you're going to go into depth for, you can make in a 60-second short, because I can say, these are 5 ways to market your business on Instagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For more, go check out this video that I posted on my channel. If you want more, let me know down in the comments, whatever. But you can make that in literally 60 seconds. It's the same content as the full video. You're just not giving all of the details, the backstory, the information, all the things. You're giving them short, sweet, to the point. If they want more, they can go watch the 10-minute video. So those 8 video outlines that you did, we're literally going to take those 8, and 8 shorts are going to be that. Then I go into each one of them and I pick my favorite topic that I can talk about for about 30 seconds. So these are 5 ways to market on social media. One of those ways is going live. I love talking about going live. So I'm going to take going live, and now that's a short. Then we have, 3 reasons why you should use email for your business. Number 1 reason is we don't own our social media and it can be shut down at any moment. Oh, I love that. So one short is literally going to be, you need an email list and this is why. We don't own our social media. And I can talk about that for 30 seconds. Boom, short, done. I want you to go through each one of your 8 topics. And from each one of those outlines, take one of your favorite tips and make that a short. You literally have all 16 of your shorts now. Then from your 8 YouTube topics, pick 4 hot button ones that you want to go into even more detail and talk live with your audience with. And take 4 of those, and then you have 4 live topics. We only racked our brain for 8, and those 8 gave us 16 shorts and 4 live topics. Okay? This is how I plan my YouTube content. Now, literally, all of your content for the next 30 days is planned. Now, all you have to do is record, edit, upload, and you'll be good to go. But this is how I plan 30 days of YouTube content. Let me know what questions you have down in the comments. If you want help planning your YouTube content or any of your content in general, you're like, Crystal, I need support. I do have one-on-one coaching spots available. So book a free sales call right now so that we can chat about what it would look like to work together to grow your business. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.